Hello. Today I'm going to tell you about one of the programs that our teachers at the Fort Wayne Virtual Academy use to help ensure maximum engagement with their students while teaching in a virtual environment. This program is called LanSchool Air. With LanSchool Air, teachers can choose whether to view all student screens at once or just individual student screens. Being able to see the student's screens and direct his or her learning is important in the classroom, but even more so when students are learning remotely. With LanSchool Air, teachers are able to view what students are doing on their screens at that moment, and it may lead to being able to make adjustments when some students are having struggles in the classroom, and even allow for breakout rooms within the Zoom so that teachers can specifically target different skills and needs that students need at that moment. With LanSchool Air, teachers also have the ability to limit web access. So teachers can go in and create a list of websites that they do not want students to access that are beyond the scope of those that are already currently blocked by FWCS. This can be used as a great feature when teachers are trying to get students to stay working within, say, for example, Schoology. They can block other sites that they don't want them on. There is also another component to this that is an allow-only site where teachers can say, I only want my students to be allowed to get on Google Docs and Google Slides for this purpose. This will prevent students from searching the web for other things such as games or sites that they don't need to be on in order to keep their attention fully engaged in the task at hand. Teachers also have the ability to blank student screens. What this does is it will, and I will show you here, it takes the screen and blanks it out. Students will then not be able to access their computer at that moment. This is a great feature for teachers when they want to get the students' attention to give more directions in class or follow up on a question or comment or concern that students may be having. Teachers can also zoom in on a student's screen so that they have a clearer and larger view, and even send messages to tell them, I can see that you're not quite on task, so make sure you're doing the right thing, or I can see that you need some help in there. Make sure you're clicking over on the left-hand side of the screen. That is where the button is. So it is a great tool for teachers to really, truly, when in a virtual environment, help students navigate through the internet and the different websites that they are using for access. Now you can see I have a student enrolled in my class and I'm able to see the sites they're on. It is real time for students. So if they go to another website, it will eventually update for teachers so that they can see the exact site students are on. There is also a feature where teachers can take a screenshot of a screen. That way it can be for a student to share what another kid's doing, to show them, look at what they're doing. This is a great model. But it can also be used if a student is violating the FWCS appropriate use of technology. The one main reason that LanSchool Air is great for our teachers, like I said earlier, is in order to achieve maximum engagement and success when in a virtual environment. This is truly allowing teachers to watch what their students are doing since they are not in person and help them in real time access things. For our younger students, there is the ability where teachers can actually push out a website. So if it's a long web address that may be tough for our younger students to type in, the teacher can simply push out the website and the student's machine will automatically go there, which will help alleviate time spent trying to type in the correct site. I hope this information helps, as you may see this come up on your student screen at home.